And then what I'm going to do, I'm just going to pull it. I just noticed that. Yeah, buddy, lightweight. Oh, look at that! Just needed a smack.
End of the production.
Welcome back to another video. So in today's video we are going to be fitting a boot pop to this car. So this is everything that comes in this kit. So we got the screws that we are going to be replacing. I'll open them in a bit. And got some grease as well there. Got some stickers. There we went there. Instruction, don't need that. And the actual boot pop. Struts. Beautiful, mate. Right, so let me just open all these and we shall get back to you. Right, so this is what it looks like. I've just set myself up because I'm doing this with one hand and it's just easier. Saves me going back and forth. Okay, so this is what it looks like. You can get the black ones over there, but the black ones, they cost more, okay, for some reason. I mean, no one's really gonna see them anyway once the thingy, so you might as well get the red ones, they're cheaper. Over here, emerald struts, Golf Mark 7 to 7.5, so it doesn't matter what Mark 7 it is, as long as it's a Mark 7 these will fit. Okay, 5 doors, 2 door, it's all the same layout, I think. Right, GTI, Mark 7, TDI, whatever Mark 7 you have, these will work. Right, so next thing, you're going to need a pick. You can use, I'm using a pick because it's so much easier. You can use a flathead, but it can be tricky to try and get the flathead into that one. If you have a really small one, let's see with the pick, it's just so easy. It's pretty much, it'll just take you off. But with the flathead, sometimes you can't get it in there, especially this one. This one you will be able to get the flathead in there. Come on. Come on. Today. There we go. There we go. This one you'll be able to get the flathead in here, like a smaller one, because you've got the upper thingy. But to get it in here, you got to angle it in a weird way, and it might not even come out. Not like this one. Okay. You're gonna need some of these. Now you can use like a tissue over there just to protect it, but the thing is these are going anyway, so what I'm gonna do, I'm just gonna clamp these on once it with my left hand, just like that. They're gonna stay there, so once I take this one off, that won't fall off. I don't really care about the scratches because these are coming out anyway. I mean, you can put some fucking tissues in there, save whatever. Right, next, these, the bolts that they give you, for some reason they're not 13s, they're 12s, but I think the ones on the car are 13s. So I've got a 13, maybe a 14, maybe a 15. But these ones here are 12 mil, right? Just a socket. You're gonna need a long socket as well. Or you can try and use a spanner. Yeah, boy, it'll take you fucking ages, right? You can use a spanner if you don't have a long set. They give you some washers here. And they give you some grease. But for some reason, there's already grease in there. I'm not really gonna use any more grease. And same with the back. Okay, now let me just show you what you need to do before you fit them. You got to take these off. It's already got the grease inside it, right? So before you start, you have to take this off. See it there? This little thing will prevent you from pushing this into the hole. Okay, now to take this off is very tricky. You won't be able to do it with your hands because it hurts a lot. It's a lot of pressure on your thingy. So get like a flathead or a pin, and all you're doing is pushing this back. Ah, you see it? Right, it's off. You see that? Do that with all of them and it will just come off like that. And to put it back in, this, you will only put it back in once this is connected to the car, alright? So then once to lock it, just like that. So I'm going to do this with all 4 sides. It'll have one on all of them. 1, 2 and 1 2 on the other as well. Okay, take them off before you start, okay? So there we go, all 4 are off. So they are all the same, even though, like, see the fatness of the end of them is different compared to the fatness of the top, right? But these does not matter. You can put this one and that one and that one. These are all exactly the same, okay? So let me try. So that's still in here. Let me try with this bottom one here, and hopefully the boot doesn't drop on my head. Right, just get that bottom there, unhinge it out, and once it's out like this, just give it a good old smack over here, and hopefully this doesn't drop on my head. Right, here we go, dirty bitch, it's holding. And now this top one here, which will be hard for me to hold this camera and try and show you at the same time. I gotta hold you steady. Hold the camera steady. What? What? That just comes straight off. Look, the thing is in. You see it? The thing is in. But it just comes straight off. Huh. What the fuck? Look, it's barely even holding it. That's in. I don't know. Maybe. I don't know what's going on there. Actually, you can just fucking break it. Yeah. Oh, I found out a better way to do it. Right, so that is that. Okay. So we've got the thingy here, but remember, we still need to put the screws in. But this, now you see here, see it, this one is facing like that. But when I move along, that one is facing the other way. What's going on? So the back of it you can spin, which I don't think it will let me. No, it's on there, right? Just get some pliers, right? Yeah, just like that. So now see, I can spin it whatever way I want, just like that. Okay, just need some thingy-majiggy. So now that's broken, I can adjust it to match the thingy. Just gonna break the other one. Hold it. Hold it. There we go, so I can spin it. Beautiful. So now we need to, let's just check if it is 13s. And it is 13s. So 12mm they give you, 13s is what I will need. Right? That is, yeah, loosening it. Just like that. And that one, hand tight it first. Oh, let me just zoom in a bit for you. And to be honest, just a snug. That'll fucking do, boy. Right, so now we can fit one of these. Remember, get the top one in first. And this is gonna be tricky now, because now I need two hands, because I need to, if I just let go of that, it'll just fall off. I need to put this in. Okay, so let me just put that in. I've got it at an angle where it's not falling, okay, just like this. So all you have to do, I'm just gonna stand underneath it as you push that. Oh no, don't fall. There we go. So that is on now, okay, just like that. And now remember, now I need to twist this into the way I want it, this way. And just need some like, push this up with your head, all right, the boot, just to fit it on there, because obviously this is taking all the pressure, so it's trying to squash it down, but the boot can actually move more up. Okay, just to get this one in, just gonna push it with my head up. Oh, too much up now, you see it, bit down, about there. No, this is fucking solid. This one's been a fucking cunt. Oh, there we go. There she go. And now, fit one of these in. Where is I'd do it like this. Oh, it's solid to get. To do this with one hand, it's a fucking cunt, mate. See that ball there? It's not fully all the way in. We'll give it a little fucking cunt. There we go. There she go. Now, oh look at that! Just needed a smack, and that is in just like that. Beautiful, mate. And now, fuck. Now I'm gonna need something to protect this, and then put the vice grips on it. Okay, let me just do that. Good to go on that side. So let's start with this one. First things first. Well, anything's first, to be honest. Let's just take that bottom one off. Come on, fella. And then what I noticed that you can just bend it like the one I did with that one. Hopefully it doesn't drop. Let me just put my head underneath it. And then what I'm going to do, I'm just going to pull it. I just noticed that. Okay, so it breaks it. Fuck yeah. Fuck yeah. Alright. What is that? Nope. Yeah, 13. What am I doing? Wait, did I have this on the... when I wanted to tighten that? No, I didn't. Fucking switched it around. What am I doing? Using my fucking head, mate. Put the 10mm in. Yeah, I'm sure I had the... Yeah, it's not 13, bruv. Big man thing, yeah? It's a 12. Big man thing, I think, yeah, I did. Fuck the face of that. Yeah, the face of that one, can't need, mate. So remember to switch it around. Be vigilant. Hold up. Switch hands. Right end is better. Right end is better. This fucking sun, bro. And just give it a little that's right. Ready? That'll fucking do, mate. Right, so now what do we need to do? That's off. Oh, is yeah, I did loosen it. Yeah, I did loosen it. Right, get the top bit in first. Right, yo. Oh, this is gonna be it's tricky. This I'm gonna need 2 hands for this one. Okay. Right, yo, beautiful. That one's in. I put the thingy-majiggy in, and then for this one, I'm just gonna rotate it, and then push the thing with my head, and it's in, and then just go around. I think that should be okay to put this in. It should be alright just to sneak it in there, and just like that. So yeah, that's it, to be honest. Let's just test it now. Oh, I just remembered I forgot to add the washers, but it'll be alright, I don't care. It'll be okay. Also, when you first try and close it, it's gonna sound like it's, I don't know what the sound was. I'm hoping it does it again, but it's like crinkling and everything. But it's solid to close it, right? But I think that's expected, and then eventually it will ease in. But let's just yeah, it is fucking solid to close it now. It's like, look, you see that bounce there? You just gotta, once you get here, it's just like the where you're compressing that these springs here. You get about here, mate, and it's like nope, and then you just gotta ram it straight down, boy. So here's what it was. So I've taken some clips before, so I'll just put that in now. So before you hold down the boot pop, that's all it does, and then you got to manually open it. And now this is what it is with the new one. Yeah, buddy, lightweight. So thanks for watching. I'll put these down in the link description below. Just one thing is, yeah, I got well scared. The first time you try and close the boot, yeah. Whoa, what the fuck am I doing? Bitch, I won't be able to. I won't, it is real scary. That first crinkling. It's not doing it now, but it was just like. But beautiful, mate. Yeah, buddy. See you in the next one. Thank you.